Welcome to Soraexplains. I'll help you go through three things. First, due dates. Your finance officer, project manager, accountant, HR is very important for you. You have the bill date or the employment date for HR matters. And the bill will be due after 30 days. How do we go about that? This is the bill date plus 30 days. Simple. This is the bill date. For example, this is the bill date. This is the bill date plus 30 days. This is bill date plus 30 days. Just remove the icon set for the time being. Icon set. I just remove them. I delete these ones so that it comes easy. I clear the rules. You always clear the rule like that. So that is our due date. Similar to what I'm having it there. But here, this customer have a special plus 30 screen safety area. Okay. Then with this today, I just put fellow mark. Already lapsed. I can put right. You don't need to put anything. It is implied. That is how we do it. It is already there. Finally, I'll give you a tip. And the tip is your birthday falls on the 2nd of January 2023. I've already shown you how to calculate today's date. Today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. So the difference between today and your birthday is 62. That one, and it keeps on updating automatically. As this due date, tomorrow it will be 22nd. So I'll leave you with that. Thank you very much. If you see this video helpful, please subscribe to Sora Explains.